Okay, so here's part two. I have made a little card in the upper right hand corner of the screen which will take you to the next step. I'm starting to do these in all my videos until I start to piece things together. So just a little, it should be right on up here, and it'll just take you to the next video. I usually do about the last 10 seconds of my videos like that. So here's kind of my experimental phase. I've got very, very low water pressure, and I want you to take a look across this top. I have, at this point, and I know that this is not going to come out in camera all that well, but I have polished, after using the Purple Power Vehicle and Boat Concentrate Traffic Film Cleaner, which you can find at any Walmart in the RV section. Wet everything down. Then I used the foam cannon to spray out the Purple Power Boat and RV Traffic Film Cleaner, just basically a very powerful alkaline soap, and let that dwell. And then I came in with my wash mitt with the Meguiar's Wash Plus and gave it a solid polishing. So here's the process here, right? Here's my cheapo car washing, which I found online for about $30. It just says car washing gun, right? Couldn't be any more simple. So I have probably about 4 ounces in the container. I spray this out. I've already treated this. Sorry about the camera work here. I'm just on the go. I'm on a time frame. So you've got that out there, right? Nice. If I opened the container. Nice thin line of the Meguiar's Wash Plus. Okay, take your mitt and just work that in. Now this is film that has been, I remind you, if you didn't see part 1, this is film on a car that has never been washed in 10 years. This is a 10-year-old car, 96-year-old car owner, and he just drives it out into the rain when he thinks of it. He doesn't ever drive in the rain. He doesn't ever drive in at darkness. And go across the windows here. So just like that, just give it a solid polishing. This is a daily driver. You don't really need to worry about micro marring and scratching and things like that. But this is my process on a heavily neglected car. And it's a winner. I've used this before. This combination of the Purple Power and the Wash Plus really gives a great scrub. You'll get the dirt down at first with the concentrate wash, and then you can scrub and polish at the same time with the Meguiar's Wash Plus. So give it a try. I thank you for being with me. Please subscribe, share, like, and please give me some comments. Tell me what you think. Thanks for being with me. Take care. Bye.